Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and Happy New Year! For today's video, I will be sharing some of the things I got for Christmas, so let's get started. Since I was unable to visit Disney theme parks in 2020, I decided to add two of my favorite Disney characters, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, into my Pandora collection. While Pandora charms are not seen as luxury, I find the workmanship good considering how they are able to capture all the fine details when carving each charm. The next item I have here is this pair of Chanel earrings. It is a stud earring made of gold metal with white pearls. I have always wanted a pair of double C earrings from Chanel, and after seeing this pair at the boutique, I decided to take it home with me. I also received a few skincare and makeup products, so let's run through them. I'm quite a fan of Innisfree because it is really value for money. I like how this lipstick stays on my lips, leaving it a soft and blurry effect similar to Korean lip makeup style. This Pure Canvas Primer from Laura Mercier was on my wish list, and I'm glad to receive it as a present. I like how smooth it glides over my face. I finally added the highly rated Hera Black Foundation into my collection. I haven't had the chance to try this out yet, but it is looking promising. This mineral powder from Innisfree is really my savior. As I live in a hot and humid climate, I always rely on this powder to keep my face and hair free of oil throughout the day. These two eye serums came in handy as my work requires me to use the computer for a prolonged time. I have dry lips, so I keep it hydrated with a lip balm. This lip balm from Fresh has SPF 15, which is very essential for people like me living in sunny areas all year round. The third Innisfree item on my list is this set of Smart Blender. I like how soft they are, making it easy to apply my foundation and concealer. Finally, I have this makeup remover from Shu Uemura. I like how convenient and time-saving it is to remove a full makeup with this remover. In my last shopping haul video, I shared that I bought an Apple Watch Series 6 in the sport band version, so this December, I finally decided to get a new braided solo look in one of my favorite colors, pink. I like how comfortable it is on my wrist. It is really a well-designed strap for a snug fit. If you are planning to get this, I will recommend you to head down to a physical store if there is one near you whenever possible, because the staff will give you the most accurate measurements than if you were to try measuring it on your own using the online measurement provided by Apple. And finally, I got a tote bag. I decided to pick out this lovely Longchamp Le Pliage because I like the durability of this bag. I had a bag in the same design but in a different color before, and it lasted me for 8 years before the color faded due to prolonged exposure to the sun. But other than that, it is working fine when it comes to functionality. Let's unwrap this together. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.